Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Comfortland OA200 hinge knee brace. Begin by unfastening the 4 closure straps so that the OA knee brace is completely open and ready to apply. Once open, place the brace on the outside of the leg, making sure that the range of motion hinge lines up with the outside of the kneecap. And starting at the top of the brace, wrap each strap around the leg and secure so that the frame of the brace fits snug to the outside of the leg. Continue working down the leg, fastening each strap to a snug fit. Make sure that the range of motion hinge remains aligned with the kneecap. If properly applied, this brace should fit snug and little movement should be experienced. If movement is experienced, go back and tighten each strap until a snug fit is achieved. Once the OA200 has been properly adjusted to fit your leg, you can use the quick release snaps for easy application and removal. To adjust the range of motion hinge, lay the OA knee brace on a flat surface and using the screwdriver provided, remove the screws located on the outside of the hinge. Once each screw is removed, simply place the desired metal wedge in the hinge as shown here and secure it by replacing the screw on the outside of the hinge. It is recommended to work on one side of the hinge at a time as these screws are easily lost. Continue this process on the other side of the hinge. This system allows for both sides of the hinge to be adjusted independently, and each of the provided wedges dictates a different range of motion. You may have to experiment to find out which settings work best for you. If you're unsure on which settings to use, please contact your healthcare provider. To adjust the unloading mechanism on this brace, turn the dial just above the range of motion hinge with the Allen key provided. The degree at which this is set will control how much pressure is unloaded from the knee.